Hello everyone, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of fractions, which is unlike and like also. So now we will discuss about multiplication of fractions. So multiplication of fraction, which is nothing but here we will not see like fractions or unlike fractions. Multiplication of fractions, we want just two fractions. So one thing I want to clear, in our last session I have missed this one. Whenever it is there 2 plus 1 by 4. So here many of you will get doubt that what is the denominator, what we should take the denominator to convert both to unlike fractions, both to like fractions. When nothing is there, we should keep 1 in the place of denominator and continue the whatever the calculation, plus or minus or multiplication. So this is one thing I want to explain. So coming to multiplications. So if I will take 2 into same this one only, 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. Here what we should do is, very important thing, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Just you should multiply and write the answer. Don't multiply with the numerator to denominator, denominator, numerator. Don't change the fractions. So first of all, here nothing is there, I want to keep 1, and after keeping 1, what are the numerators? 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 4, denominators is 4. This is the way we should do multiplications. Some more examples. 4 into 8 by 5. These are all, denominator is not given for you. 7 into 1 by 3. 4 into 7 by 5, 7 into 8 by 3. So here we can write 4 into 8 by 5. Nothing is there, 1. Numerators, 4 into 8 is 32 by 5. 7 into 1, denominator is not there, 1. 7 by 1 into 3 is 3. 4 into 7. 4 into 7 is nothing but 28, 1 into 5 is 5, 7 into 8, 56 by 1 into 3 is 3. In this way we should complete all our multiplications. So coming to mixed fraction and a normal fraction. So sometimes we will get that 2 into 2, 1 by 4. Here nothing is there, 1 we will keep, 2 by 1 into, this we should convert. Already I have told in the last session, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9 by the denominator, whatever it is there in the mixed fraction, proper fraction of that mixed fraction. So again it is common, 2 9s are 18, 1 into 4 is 4. So coming to one more example, 8 into 4, 1 by 7. Okay, 8 by 1 into 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29 by 7. 29 into 8 is 8 9s are 56, 5, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5 is 21 by 7. In this way, we should do multiplications of one normal fraction and one mixed fraction. So coming to word problems. So here exercise 2 you have some questions like how we should shade half of the circles in a box. Half of the circles, one I will tell, other problems you can do. Half of the circles in a box, which is given here, circles in a box. Okay, here they are asking half of the circles. For that exactly you should take half, which means count first how many are there. Okay, 3 in each row, and how many like that? 1 2 3 4, 4 3s are, so 12 circles you have got. Any 6 you can shade, any 6, that's your wish. So here I have did first one, half of the circle in a box, total are 12, I have shaded 6 circles. Like that only you can complete the second, third and fourth. And one more bit is find. Find question will be there, which is 1 by 3 of 12. Okay. Here of means nothing but it is multiplication. Of means nothing but multiplication. 1 by 3 into 12. It is same as how we have did multiplications just now. Nothing is there means 1 12s are 12 by 3 1s are 3. And here you can do simplest form also. If it is which is divide by 12, here I can divide 3 1s are 3 4s are. If it will divide, then you can divide and write the answer. If it is not dividing, you can keep the answer like that only. And one word problem. So here it is there. Rehana works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. So what she is doing? She is working 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours each day. Okay, 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery work. So she completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? Okay, they have given just completes in 7 days. So we should convert these days into hours, which is 2.5 hours for each day. For 7 days, how much? 2.5 into 7. So 2 2s are 4, 5 by 2 into 7. 5 7s are 35 by 2, which is nothing but 2 into 1 is 2. In this way, next one also you can complete. So which is very easy, multiplication of fractions. So in the next session, we will learn about division of fractions.